Welcome to the continuation of full face makeup. On this video, I'm going to show you how to do nude eyeshadow. Okay, my name is Deck Beauty. I base here in United Kingdom. In case you want to know how we arrive here, I have all the videos down below with explanation step by step. Full face makeup, but I decided to split them so that the video will not be too large. In case you are watching me from YouTube, Facebook, you are welcome. So the first on the list, you apply on your eye bulb area. Make sure it's eye bulb area. You apply eyeshadow base. That thing I am just applying now is called eyeshadow base. All this product I have them, and I have the original one. So you make sure you blend it proper to the skin. And anytime you want to do eyeshadow, if you want to do the natural one, you want to do the nude, have it in mind. Two things that will make your makeup come so loud: the eyeshadow and the lipstick. If your eyeshadow is very loud, your makeup, you cannot have natural makeup. If your lipstick is too loud, you cannot have natural makeup. So people say they like makeup natural, but their eyeshadow is very loud, and their lipstick, they use bright color lipstick. So please focus your eye. See the way I'm blending it. After you apply that eyeshadow base, you blend. Make sure you use clean brush to blend. Don't use the brush you already use for another color. So just use brush to blend it to your skin, so that your eyeshadow area will be so smooth. Okay, so as you can see, this palette I have different color, but because I want to do nude, because like me, I don't like colored eyeshadow. So anything loud, this area, you see, anything color like pink, all those pink, blue, those are loud. Anything nude, we always use dark brown and light brown. Okay, so I want you to focus, please. If it's the camera that is changing the color, I don't know, but I'm using a dark brown, but it doesn't look like dark brown, but it's dark brown. Maybe it's the camera. So immediately you apply your dark brown, make sure you blend. Most time, many people made mistake. If they want to do their eyeshadow, they always expand it to the area of the eyelash, the area of the eyebrows. No, eyeshadow, let your eyeshadow be on top where your eye bulb is. The area where your eye bulb is, you see, as you can see, my eye bulb. Everybody have different type of eye bulb. So people have small eye bulb, big eye bulb, in between. So any area your eye bulb is, that is the area you will do your eyeshadow. Then some people will just go and extend it to the area where the eyebrows is. No, you will not have nice eyeshadow. So I want to take the lighter brown now to blend it on top of the darker brown. So as you can see, this is the lighter brown. I use it to blend the edge of the darker brown. So we have different way we do this nude makeup. We have different way. So some people just use, as you can see, so after the foundation, some people just use their powder, their setting powder, to just apply it there, do eyeliner, and do eyelash. Sorry. So we have different way. Why some people just use only the dark brown. So anything brown, anything light brown, anything dark brown, if you are the type you don't like colored, so with that, your makeup will not be so harsh. Because like my face, if I do too much loud makeup, I look more older than my age. So as you can see, I take from my pressed powder. I want you to concentrate. I take from my pressed powder my color. Now you will use your color to blend the edge, so that everything will smooth along with your face. Use your color of your pressed powder to blend the edge. First we use dark brown. After dark brown, we use lighter brown. from our eyeshadow palette. So this one we are using now is pressed powder, your powder. So that is it for this video. I hope you have learned one or two things. So I will show you the continuation. We will continue the next episode. I don't want this video to be too long. Go down below, go and see where we are coming from. The eyebrows, the foundation, everything is down below. Book me for your event. If you want to see all my work, go to my Instagram, look at all my service here, screenshot. Call me, we do gele, we do photo shoot, we do plenty things. All these things, they are even the old version. Go to my Instagram, Deck Beauty, book me for your event. Come and have your photo shoot in my studio here in London, United Kingdom. See you on my next video on the continuation. Bye.